Hi, my name is Colin Kilbane, and I'm going to show you how to make slime or flubber. Okay, now this is a chemical reaction here, and so on one side we've got Elmer's glue. This is watered down just a little bit, and I've added about a tablespoon of glycerin to this to give it a nice texture. Now you can get glycerin at a drugstore. Now on this side I've got borax in water. Now, a good solution of borax, heat up the water to about hot tap water and keep on putting in borax and stirring until you see it piling up in the bottom and you can't dissolve any more borax in there. Then you have what we call a saturated solution. Now, what's going to happen here is that I'm going to pour the borax in here, and this is going to cross-link the molecules in the Elmer's glue, and we're going to go from a liquid to slime or flubber. You don't have any good slime unless you've got a little bit of green. So I'm going to put a little bit of green in, and I'm going to stir it up. So we got a nice green color. All right, now I'm going to slowly add my borate. You don't need a lot of this stuff. As you can see, it's starting to cross-link. Add a little more. Scrape it off. There we go. You can take it out and we can work it. Now it's still a little tacky, so I'm going to want to add a little bit more borate. But you don't want to let this stuff escape on the carpet. It'll sink right into the carpet and be very difficult to get out, because remember, it's based on glue. So, and that is how to make flubber or slime with common household ingredients.